What's going on, guys? PTI Records here, also known as AOT. What's going on, guys? All of the above, also known as AOT underscore YouTube. How y'all doing? Ignore my voice, I just woke up. Got a little project for yesterday. And by a little bit, I mean, it's pretty much a major task. I don't know if you guys are in my Discord, but
Oh my goodness.
for all who are in my Discord, I posted this picture hinting as to what this project was going to be, but it wasn't like much of a hint. It's just kind of like just a box. But today we're going to be doing a major component on the car. We're going to be changing out the front passenger caliper. Reason being because the caliper that was originally on the car season up. Every time I'm driving it, it's just mad whack. Like, it just keeps locking up, and I hate that. So I ordered the part, and we're gonna get it changed out today, and hopefully you guys will get some good content out of this today. We also have another thing that we want to change up on the car, but I'm gonna save that for later. That's gonna be a surprise. You're gonna have to stick around to watch that. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay. And I hear y'all in the comments being like, Alex, why don't you do this in a garage? Because I don't have a garage. No, I do have a garage. It's just, it's full of stuff. Okay, so first thing you want to do, while your car is still on the ground, take, or at least loosen the lug nuts. So that way when it's in the air, the tire's not spinning, and you're not having a bad time. Done. That was done. And in case you want to know how bad this caliper is seized, the parking brake isn't on right now, and we're on a slight incline. So technically, me moving this car should be moving, like it should be rolling, but it's not. It is not. Let's try this one that's a bit stubborn. There we go. Okay. Now that you got those loose ones, you know how to jack up the car. This isn't sponsored in any way, shape, or form, but this Husky 2-ton jack, mint. It's been beautiful. So easy to use. So easy to use. Alright, let me find my jack point. That's it right there. Literally, just put it under, handle in, boom, bada bang, you're good to go. Now that it's up, make sure you're not using a roller meter. Nope, we're all good. Alright, now we can fully take it off. Oy. Hold on, let me see if I can show you. Like, look. This is all brake dust. Like, I'll show you the cleaner wheels. Like, these are the backs. You see how they're clean? They're cleaner. Like, there's no real brake dust. That's just like regular dust. All of this is brake dust. Like the caliper is seized so bad. Anyways, you guys will see when I take it off. Let's get you situated again, and then we'll continue. We'll do a time lapse. Okay, now that the wheel's off, you can kind of see that the brakes have seen better days, but that is the case of just being used in it. Now I gotta go find the. You're gonna need hex bits, either hex bits or a hex Allen key, because that'll take off the bolts that are on the back side of this bad boy. Can't remember what size it was, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, I didn't know that until I attempted this. This is my second attempt trying to take this brake off. First time wasn't so great. Let's just say that. First time was not so great. Okay, and I already they have like little covers. I'll show you on the new one. Okay, so this is the new one. Ignore the fact that the box looks like crap. Again, this is my second attempt. The first one wasn't so great. It was raining hella hard the moment I started, which is just my luck. But yes. I don't know why, but bro decided to color it gold when nothing else on the car was gold. I don't know. Anyways, these are the brakes, or the brake calipers. These replace the stocks. They have these little caps. I don't know if you can see that, but they have these little caps on the back. Usually you pop those off, and that reveals the hex nut that you gotta take off. Now, hopefully, these are the same size, so I could just test fit it on the new one and figure out what size to use. But I'm pretty sure, that's always a good sign. I'm pretty sure it was a 5/16. I guess not. Okay, at least you work. Okay, so the one on the car is a 1/4 inch X, thankfully. I'll have to figure something out for the new one, because the 1/4 inch is, I don't know, it's too small for it, apparently. And it's starting to rain. Okay, let's get this done.
2 hours later.
So boom, we got started, but the drill bit we had was the wrong size. It's not a 1/4. It's like something stupid.
Drive.
So now we gotta find it. It should be here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got it. It's a 7 mil. That's what it is. So now that we have this, hopefully we'll be able to take it off now. Because literally, like, a 1/4 was too small, and then 5/16 was too big. So I'm hoping that this is like perfect, like right on the money. And yeah, hopefully we'll get back into it. All right, I'll see you guys when I get back. Boom. After some technical difficulties, and don't mind the gloves, after some technical difficulties in the power of editing, the car is now fixed. The brakes are on. Or the brake is on, I should say, the brake caliper. Word to the wise, if you're gonna work on a caliper, make sure you spray that hoe down with like a shit ton of brake cleaner or WD-40 or something. Spray it down with something, brother. All your brake lines, all your nuts, all your bolts, everything. Because one thing could lead to another, and yeah, it'll just be a whole world of headaches. So word to the wise, if you're gonna be working on anything, on like a used car, any car, honestly, just make sure you spray down the bolts, even if they're brand new. Just this was such a headache, but I'm glad it's done now. I'm glad this is over. I'm glad I can finally drive the car. Y'all don't understand. I miss this car, bro. This car's been gone for almost 3 or 4 days now. We dropped it off. I had to drop it off to the mechanic Thursday. And it's now Sunday. I'm on recording this video. It's Sunday. But when the video comes out, it'll probably be like days after. Anyways, long story short, make sure you spray down your bolts, and if you don't spray down your bolts, make sure you know someone who can torch that motherfucker out, because that's literally what it took to get this thing fixed. Like, I don't have a torch, or at least I didn't have a torch at the time, so to get that bolt out, it would have been impossible, like literally impossible. But now it's fixed. Caliper is on. I guess the next step would be the interior mod, but I'm probably not gonna do that today. Well, it might still be in the video, but I'm not gonna do it today. I'm not gonna do it today for sure. Like it's I'm so tired, bro. You don't understand. I was stressing about this car for so long. Finally going back home. It's finally coming back home. But yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. I'll show you like what the new caliper looks like compared to the old one. The old ones look so doo-doo, bro. Like, I don't know what, like, I understand if the guy was going for a theme, like he spray painted them gold, and I can understand if he was doing that for a theme, but nothing on this car was gold. Like, literally nothing. So I don't understand why he decided that was going to be the color that he chose. Like, if anything, I'd understand like an orangish red, because the lights in here are like orangish red, but nothing in here is gold. So I don't understand why he chose gold, but gold is what he sprayed over the caliper, and that same gold spray that he used is what made the caliper stick, essentially, because he sprayed so much of it, and he did it without taking it off and, you know, sanding it down and making sure that it wouldn't like stick up the caliper when the brakes were applied. When I went to go get the car now, when I was pressing on the brakes, it would stick up the caliper, and yeah, now we're here. Anyways, this video has been long. It's been long overdue, long time in editing. I'm just glad we're back. More content coming soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Road to 200 subs. We're almost there. I think we're almost at 150 now. We only need like 50 more subs, 50 or so. Appreciate y'all for joining up. Appreciate y'all for staying this long in the video, for staying this long on the channel, and as always, I will see y'all later.